A Green Life Guide. Chapter 1. Green Life Products and Topics. Eco-Home Magazines. DreamChange.org, non-profit organization consisting of people around the globe dedicated to practicing and creating ways of sustainable living. EarthTimes.org. GreenResourceCenter.org. ISDESignet.com, Interiors and Sources. LivingNow.com.au. MarthasTewart.com. MotherEarthNews.com. MotherJones.com. NaturalHomeMagazine.com. NRDC.org/OnEarth. ODEMagazine.com. Oprah.com, O at Home Magazine. RealSimple.com. Resurgence.org. SierraClub.org, Sierra Magazine. SLF.org.au, Sustainable Living Foundation. TheGreenGuide.com. UTNE.com. Grist.org. MotherEarthNews.com. NaturalHomeandGarden.com. NRDC.org/OnEarth, ONIARTH, Natural Resources Defense Council. Energy Efficient Appliances. EnergyStar.gov. EnergyStar.gc.ca. EnergiesAvayingTrust.org.uk. EnergyStar.gov.au. EnergyRating.gov.au. Find green electricity for sale. EPA.gov/greenpower/locator/index.htm. Kenwe.ca/green_power_marketing.cfm. greenpower.gov.au. Britain. Eugenistandard.org. Government incentives for green living. United States. DesireUSA.org, database of state incentives for green living. Energy.gov/taxbreaks.htm. EnergyTaxIncentives.org. Canada. Incentivesandrebates.ca. Incentivesandrebates.ec.gc.ca. oee.nrc.gc.ca/corporates/incentives.cfm?ATTR=4. Australia. Greenhouse.gov.au/rebates/index.html. Savewater.com.au. Britain. Energiesavayingtrust.org.uk. Lowcarbonbuilding.org.uk. Green Building Councils. usgbc.org. cagbc.org, Canada Green Building Council. gbcaus.org, Green Building Council of Australia. EU-greenbuilding.org, Europe. Green Cities List. TheGreenGuide.com, Top 10 Green Cities List. airnow.gov, Air quality in some cities. eair.energy.gov/green power, cities that use alternative fuel. Green real estate websites. greenhomesforsale.com. agreeandrealtor.com. ecobroker.com. ecobusinesslinks.com/green_real_estate.htm. e-real-estate.com. greenbuilder.com/realestate. greenbuildinggsenique.com. greenhomesforsale.com. greenrealestate.com. greenrealestatenews.com. healthyhomesforsale.com. miremecology.info. realestateforums.com/greenestate/mission.html. green roof/eco-roof/living roof. A green roof is an eco-home concept mostly used in Europe where the roof of a building, usually a home, is partially or completely covered with plants. It might be a regularly tended roof garden or some self-maintaining plants like a lawn there. The reasons to use a green roof are: to insulate the home, help keep it warm in the winter and cool in the summer, prevent storm water runoff pollution, improve air quality. Chicago City Hall has a green roof. Oregon seems to be the most popular place in the United States for green roofs. greenroofs.com. earthpledge.org. greenroofplants.com. allcarproof.com. greenroofs.org. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/green_roof, what is a green roof? bluestem.ca/green-roofs.htm buildingdesign.co.uk/arch-2/green-fix/green-roof-systems.htm calacademy.org/newacademy/therof.php chias.org/greenroof/planningaroof.html chias.org/greenroof/strata.html cityfarmer.org/greenroof.html greenroof.com greenroof.se greenroofblocks.com greenroofdesign.ca greenroofplants.com greenroofproducts.com greenroofs.ca greenroofs.com greenroofs.net greenroofs.org greenroofservice.com greenroofworld.com Home electricity generating machine/micro renewable energy. There are renewable electricity machines that can generate electricity home by home. They have to be cheap enough so that the buyer recovers the cost in savings on the electric bill within 8 years. The machine might not cover 100% of all electricity needs, but it can cover at least 50%. This is one of the few big things that can transform our country, to generate most of the electricity we use from our own homes with a renewable energy device. alternative-energy-news.info bettergeneration.com/green-energy-reviews.html builditsolar.com direct.gov.uk/en/environment and greener living/energy and water saving/renewable and DLOW carbon energy duogen.co.uk water and wind marine generators ebico.org.uk/energy-advice/microgeneration-fit-scheme electricitygeneration.co.uk elements.nb.ca/theme/energy/micro/micro.htm micro hydropower energy2020.oday.com/windmills/how-to-build-a-windmill.php energyinstitution.org over 1,000 courses energiesurveyingtrust.org.uk enocean.com micro power generator fastfreehomeenergy.com/magnetic-power-generation.html globalmicroturbine.com homepower.com homesolarandwindinfo.com machinistogo.net/electricity.html, energy and power generation systems made-in-china.com electric generator China electric generator supplier micro-hydro-power.com mywindpowersystem.com otherpower.com peaswiki.com/energy/directory treehugger.com/clean-technology/how-to-build-your-own-watt-wind-turbine.html human-powered electricity/self-powered generator/pedal power ascpower.com bicycle generator power econvergence.net pedal for electricity thehumanpoweredhome.com youtube.com electricity generating exercise bike rarevie.com/downloads/articles/electric_workout.pdf greeniacs.com/greeniacsguides/bicycle-generators.html ehow.com how to make electricity with a stationary bike alternative-energy-watt-stationary-bicycle-generator alternative-energy-powered-electricity-generator-windstream, can be pedaled or cranked by hand. treehugger.com/tag/human-powered econvergence.net dynowatt.com/energy10-ways-to-generate-your-energy. dynowatt.com. yankodesign.com. spectrum.ieee.org/green-tech/conservation/these-exercise-your-sweat-into-electricity. instructables.com/answers/I-wish-to-make-electricity-with-my-cycle-can-be-m. starlines.archive/2007/03/20/exercise-n-electricity-generation. k-tor.com, hand-powered generator. globalspec.com, powered electric generator. econvergence.net, pedal for electricity. The pedal a watt generator allows you to pedal and create electricity. windstreampower.com/human_power_generator_series.php. los-gatos.ca/davidbulletin/pagin.html, pedal powered generator, DIY plans. windstreampower.com/human_power_generator.php. Organizations that certify green products. kontrollertie-network.de/gisa-mt_n.htm, certifies natural and organic cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and food products. usgbc.org, U.S. Green Building Council, certifies eco-building professionals. certifiedwood.org, list of companies making furniture from certified eco-managed forests. newdream.org/cleanschoolsafelist.php, certified green cleaning products. Australia Environmental Label. aela.org.au. Cradle to Cradle, C2C. c2ccertified.com. Energy Star. energystar.gov. energystar.gc.ca. eu-energystar.org. energystar.gov.au. Rating system rewards products that use substantially less energy than comparable products, applies to more than 50 categories of products. European Ecolabel. ec.europa.eu/environment/ecolabel/index_n.html. Goods in Europe. Green Seal. greenseal.org. certifies paints, adhesives, and cleaning products. GreenGuard Environmental Institute. greenguard.org. certifies low-emission building materials and indoor products. GreenSpec. buildinggreen.com. certifies building and home furnishing products. Scientific Certification Systems. scscertified.com. certifies food, flowers, fish, electricity, wood products, and manufactured goods for various standards of environmental performance, like the Indoor Advantage Certification Program, which guarantees that products used indoors have minimal or no volatile organic carbon emissions. The Coalition for Consumer Information on Cosmetics. leapingbunny.org. The Forest Stewardship Council. fsc.org. certifies wood and paper products for whether the companies replaced what they took with tree planting. Passive house/net zero home. A passive house or net zero home is a building that has either been built or modified to maximize energy efficiency. They use every technique they can to make the home naturally cool in the summer and naturally warm in the winter. They do all kinds of things like radiant floors, triple glazed windows, windows facing the south, green roofs, geothermal pumps, solar panels, etc. sustainablebuildingcenter.com. eebt.org. ecoshock.org, lots of podcasts. buildingevolution.ca. Save water websites. waterconserve.org. waterusavewisely.com. savewater.com.au. Scrap your old car. Some places have programs where they give you bus passes, Coupons for bikes or green cars in exchange for junking an old gas guzzler polluter car. arb.ca.gov/ms-prog/avrp/avrp.htm, California. carheaven.ca. scrapit.ca. scrapcar.co.uk. Tax breaks for using green products. Green products include EnergyStar.gov rated appliances, photovoltaic cells, certain windows. DesireUSA.org, state-by-state list of incentives and programs.